In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share sheets in Smartsheet. Access Control 2026. First, open your browser and go to smartsheet.com. If you aren't already signed in, quickly log in with your usual credentials or your organization's single sign-on. This takes just a moment, and once you're in, you'll land on your home page. From home, you can see your recent items and, most importantly, your workspaces. Click Workspaces to view all the spaces you have access to. This is where your projects and sheets are organized. Next, choose the workspace that contains the sheet you want to share. You're not sharing the entire workspace here. You're simply navigating to the right place. Once you're inside that workspace, locate the specific sheet and click it to open. Give it a second to load so you're looking at the active sheet. Now look to the top right corner of the sheet and click Share. Smartsheet gives you two scopes for sharing, Workspace or Sheet. For this walkthrough, choose Sheet. That way you grant access only to the single item, keeping your workspace and other assets private. In the sharing window, type the email address of the person or group you want to invite. Then, set their permission level. Viewer lets someone see the sheet without making changes. Editor allows updates to rows, cells, and attachments, which is great for collaborators doing the work. Admin provides full control including structure changes and permissions and should be reserved for trusted owners. A helpful rule of thumb is to grant the least access needed to get the job done. You can include a short message so recipients know why they're getting access and what you expect them to do. If you need to distribute access more broadly, you can also copy the link from this window. Keep in mind that links should follow your organization's sharing policies. And it's best to confirm that only the intended audience can open them. When everything looks right, emails entered, roles selected, and your message added, click Share to send the invitations. Recipients will receive an email with a direct path into the sheet, and their permissions will take effect immediately. That's it. You visited Smartsheet, signed in, navigated to the correct workspace, opened your sheet, used the Share button, chose sheet level sharing, set precise roles, optionally added a message or copied a link, and confirmed by clicking Share. Follow these steps each time you need to control who can view or edit a sheet, and you'll keep your projects both collaborative and secure.